Welcome to our video about Tokyo's mind-blowing $9 billion skyscraper. Tokyo is already home to some of the world's most iconic buildings, but now Japan is adding another landmark to its list of mega developments in the capital. Mori Building Company, a leading Japanese real estate developer, is spending billions of dollars on a new hub of commerce in the city's core. The 8-hectare complex will contain shops, restaurants, 215,000 square meters of office space, 1,400 homes, a world-class hotel, an international school, and the city's largest food court. This mega-project aims to develop a modern urban village that serves mega-city needs while bringing village life to the city. In Monotoku, one of Tokyo's wealthiest neighborhoods, a new affluent district will open in 2023. Japan's tallest building will cost 580 billion yen to build. This building will outshine Mori's Roppongi Hills, which houses Google and Goldman Sachs offices and attracts shoppers and foreign visitors. Takahiro Mori, the former richest man in Japan, gambled that more people, mainly foreigners, will live and work in Tokyo's newest expansion in the future years. The real estate developer has relentlessly pursued steel and glass skyscrapers to change Tokyo's cityscape. The 30-year-old Azabudai Hills project aims to construct a city within a city where people can escape rather than evacuate after Japan's disasters. In 2019, the huge new project began connecting 2 subway stations and creating a new arterial route to reduce automobile traffic. With a 64-story main tower and 2 residential buildings, the new complex will offer greater floor space than Roppongi Hills, despite its smaller footprint. Japan's tallest structure and Tokyo's first super-tall skyscraper, the development's main tower, reached 330 meters in 2022. The Azabudai Hills project is a new urban hamlet with a big open area and lush nature to bring people together. Green and well-being are its foundations. The development will create a community where people can interact with nature and inspire others through creativity. The developers created a 24,000 square meter green space, including a 6,000 square meter center square in the city, by using the area's topography and adding flora to the entire site, including podium buildings, low-rise rooftops. Thomas Heatherwick designed the project. The public realm and several low-rise blocks were designed by Heatherwick Studio as a gigantic plant-filled pergola. People flow in a continuous environment with the city's major square were planned first. 3 high-rise structures were then located to blend into the thick flora. This is different from the usual method of building first and then planting. Foreign Hills is a tall earthquake-proof skyscraper. This 330-meter building is Japan's tallest, surpassing Osaka's Pteranodon Hills and Abeno Haruka's. This primary skyscraper has a wide floor plate and 4 curved glass petals surrounding its roof, unlike other buildings, which taper in at the top. It has a column-free open-floor concept. Tokyo's seismic zone makes building earthquake-resistant skyscrapers difficult. Disaster-proofing infrastructure saves lives here. Tokyo's taller buildings grow more dangerous. Building collapses can wreak havoc, as seen in Turkey and Syria. Japan's tallest skyscraper can withstand a magnitude 9 earthquake and allow its occupants to work. Construction included vibration control systems and high-strength steel and concrete. The active mass damper at the top of the building prevents swaying from high winds or shocks. This Tokyo mega-development is unusual, as is the case with many other major complexes. Azabudai Hills provides both residents and visitors with distinctive characteristics and opulent amenities. It will be one of the largest and most thoroughly verified projects in the world, and all of the neighborhood's power will come from renewable sources. By using high-efficiency, large-scale energy technologies, the initiative will assist city inhabitants in reducing their carbon footprint. The Budak Initiative Pteranodon Hills will strive to enhance people's health while also preserving biodiversity and reducing their carbon footprint. The eastern portion of the land will be developed with 3 low-rise structures that will house stores, offices, and flats, as well as a museum and an art gallery. Apartments, hotels, and business lobbies will be located within the podium structures that are connected to the towers. All of the structures will be connected by a pedestrian tunnel that is 700 meters long and has a huge food court. The open space in the main plaza, the wellness programs, the medical facilities, the sports facilities, and the restaurants all contribute to better mental and physical health. The project was meant to ensure the highest possible levels of safety and quality of life, even in the event of an earthquake. They aim to create cities that bring people in rather than ones that push them out. This mixed-use complex will eventually be home to 20,000 people employed there, 3,500 people living there, and between 25 and 35 million tourists. Tokyo's newest mega development, the Pteranodon Hills Azabudai project, is an exciting addition to the city skyline. This $9 billion project will be Japan's tallest skyscraper, set in the heart of Tokyo's poshest neighborhood. With its focus on green and wellness, this modern urban village aims to bring people closer together, even in the midst of a megacity. The project boasts several unique features and luxury amenities for its residents and visitors, and it was designed to provide the highest level of safety and quality of life, even in the case of a catastrophe like an earthquake. We're eagerly looking forward to seeing how this project takes shape in the upcoming months and years. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this.